Hi everyone, I'm so thrilled to make the lesson. In this basic English lessons, I'm going to focus on pronunciation, spelling, and grammar. So here you can see double E. I hope you know the alphabet, and here I'm going to focus on spelling. At the top of the board, you can see double E. So these are pronounced E. When two E come together, those are pronounced E. Let's have a look at the examples. Green. So you should make as long as you can. In this case, double E should be stretched. Green, green, green. Next word. Tree, tree, tree. B, B, B. C, C, C. Three, three, three. And last word, feet, feet, feet. Feet is plural form of foot, foot. Okay, let's take a look at the second row. Here you can also see double E and in each word. Let's read the words one by one. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Next word, agree, agree, agree. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Next word, speech, speech, speech. Okay, what is the next word? Can you read yourself? Yes, this is deep, deep, deep. Last but not least, seek, seek, seek. Good job. Now, let's review all the words one more time. I'm gonna go first and you can repeat after me. Green, tree, B, C. It's your turn. 3, feet, sheep, agree, cheese, speech, deep, seek. Okay, it's time to see those words in sentences. I love green trees. I love green trees. Green trees. In this case, the words green and trees have double E. Okay, let's look at the second sentence. I can see you. I can see you. See. In this case, the word see has double E. Mice really love cheese. Mice really love cheese. In this sentence, the word cheese has 2 E. Okay, let's take a look at the next sentence. Do you agree with me? 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 Agree, agreement, agree. Okay, in this case, the word agree has double E. Okay, last sentence. Your speech was incredible. Your speech was incredible. So in this sentence, the word speech has double E. Now let's review one more time the words with double E. Green, green, trees, trees, sea, sea, cheese, cheese, agree, agree, speech, speech. If you want to, you can review all words one more time. Now you can read them one more time or watch the video and repeat after me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.